Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we are going to tell you about Messenger, that's best rated alternative to your default Android SMS and MMS apps. It's 100% free with zero ads. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store on your mobile. Search for the Messenger, Mode Messenger, SMS and MMS. Here is the app. Install this app. Give the permissions. Let's read some more about this app. It's 100% free with zero ads. Best rated alternative to your default Android SMS and MMS apps. You can customize almost everything. Access to awesome features. If you are frustrated by default Android texting app, you can try this Messenger. Mode Messenger. Fully customizable, bubble shapes and colors, background on over 100 themes, fonts and text size, notifications, LED sounds, vibration format, animated emojis, choose over 100 free themes, dark mode, awesome features, typing indicator to see when your contact is writing, group conversations, private conversation to hide messages, spam blocking, animated GIF library, dual SIM, easy location sharing, schedule your messages, delay sending to avoid mistakes, pin important conversations. If you want to crash free, use friendly SMS and MMS app compatible with different brands like Samsung and others. Updated on 15 June. Over 5 million downloads. App is installed, now open it. Choose your style. Apply the style. Here you see enable SMS, profile, connect to Facebook, contacts, invite friends, themes. Here are different themes, blacklist, settings. Here you can do the different settings, customize, select theme, show theme, hide decorations, font, units, notifications. There are different options for notifications, add notifications, sound, media and emojis. Here are different emojis, static emojis, small emojis, media, quick reply, chat options, chat list, contacts, SMS and MMS options. Enable SMS, accounts, connect with more Facebook, Google Plus and YouTube. Advanced, different options available here. night mode. How you can use this messenger: type any message. I'm writing, "Hi, how are you?" It shows me emoji related to this message. I put the emoji. It shows the corrections. To put a question mark. Here I can add different things in messages, keywords and location. Media or weather. Here it shows restaurant, concert, shopping, weather, beach, hotel, movies, skating, music and sports. Different emojis and options. So you see how this messenger works. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.